Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Today we are going to learn unit number 9, linear equation. In our previous video we have learned question number 1 of this exercise, and in today's video we are going to learn question number 2, 3 and 4. So question number 2 is write an equation for each of the following statements. We have statements and we have to write the equation for that statements. Now the statement is a number increased by 4 is equal to 12. Let's see how can we write the equation for this statement. Let's suppose the number be x. Then a number is increased by 4 means x plus 4 is equal to 12. So the equation is very simple, x plus 4 is equal to 12. Now let's move on the second one. Second statement is 5 less than 3 times a number is equal to 1. So let's suppose the number be x. 5 less than 3 times a number is equal to 1. We have to find the number. So let's suppose the number be x. 3 times number means 3x. 3 multiplied by x. And less than 5 means subtract 5 from 3x. So the equation would be 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. Less than 5 less than 3 times a number is equal to 1. 5 less than 3 times a number is equal to 1. Now the question number 3 of this exercise is a number exceeds another number by 5. The sum of the number is 19. Find the numbers. A number exceeds another number, which means that we have to find two numbers. And the sum of these two numbers is 19. We have to find these two numbers. Let's see how can we find. Let's suppose the first number be x. A number exceed another number. So we suppose the first number be x. Then the other number, because this number exceed another number by 5, so it would be x plus 5. The first number be x, and the second number, because exceed by 5, so it's x plus 5. Now the equation is the sum of the number is 19. So the sum of the number means x plus first number x plus second number x plus 5 is equals to 19. This is the equation. The sum of two numbers is equals to 19. So the first number is x and the second number is x plus 5 is equals to 19. Let's add x plus x, 2x plus 5 is equals to 19. Now we have to find the value of x, which is unknown. So we have to transpose 2 and 5 to the right hand side. Whenever we transpose the number to the right hand side or to the left hand side, its signs will be changed. If the number has positive, if the number is positive, it will change into negative. If the number is negative, it will change into positive. If the number is multiplying by the another number, it will be dividing, and when the number is dividing by the another number, it will be multiplying. So when we transpose the number, its signs definitely change. Now 2x is equals to, here we have plus 5, so when we transpose it, it will be minus 5. 19 minus 5. Now 2x is equals to 19 minus 5 is 14. Now we have to find x, so we transpose 2 to the right hand side. So x is equals to 14, because it's multiplying by x, so it will be divided by 14. 14 divided by 2. And how we divide 14 upon 2? 2 ones are 2. Both are divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14. Now x is equals to 7, which means the first number is 7. We have found the first number, which is 7. Now we have to find the second number, and for second number we have x plus 5. So we have found x, which is 7, and plus 5 is equals to 12. So the second number is 12. Now the second question, question number 4. If 7 times a number is subtracted from 630, the remainder is thrice the number. Find the number. Let's suppose the number be x. Now 7 times a number means 7x. A number is multiplying 7 by 7. Thrice the number means 3x. Now make the equation. If 7 times a number is subtracted from 630, you all know that when we subtract the numbers, we write the number after the from first. So I have written 630 first, minus 7 times the number means 7x is equals to 3x. Now in second step, I have written the like terms together. Here we have to transpose 7x to the right hand side. Here 7x is a negative number, and when we transpose it to the right hand side, it will change into positive. So 3x plus 7x. Now 630 is equals to 3x plus 7x is equals to 10x. Or we can write it as 10x is equals to 630. Both are same. Now we have to find x, and for this we have to transpose 10 to the right hand side. 10 is multiplying by x, and when we transpose it to the right hand side, it will be dividing by 630 like this. Now 10 ones are 10, 10 six are 60, 3 carry, and 10 threes are 30. So x is equals to 63, which means that the number is, which we have to find, is 63. I hope you all have understood. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.